Hello guys, so I have 4 towels over here. So these are 4 cotton towels. I want to wash and dry them. I'm not going to put any settings like cotton press or intensive pre-wash or rinse. I'm just going to use the normal wash and dry setting in the washing machine. So let's see how long it will take to wash and dry the 4 cotton towels without any special settings. And they are all white towels. So I'm only going to use the wash detergent. As I said, I'm not going to use any special settings. So this is the only detergent that I'm going to use. So I'm not adding any detergent of pre-wash over here or any fabric softener over here. So I'll put the setting to wash and dry over here, and let's see how long it will take, and I will also show you the results. You can see the preset temperature is 40 degrees and 1400 spins, the normal settings of the washing machine. So it will take 3 hours but 2 minutes to wash 4 heavy cotton towels and dry them. It's hot. So the towels are finished washing and drying, and the machine here is reading CD. The CD means that the machine is cooling itself automatically. If you touch it over here, nauku, it's so hot, so it cools itself until it's fully cool, and then you can remove the towels as you wish or whatever you are drying. So that's it. Okay, so to save the energy, I switched off the washing machine so that it can cool by itself without using any electricity. So let's see how my towels are. So here they are. They are a bit warm. Yeah, they are warm, but at least they have washed and dried nicely, and they are also clean, ready to use. Like they are like warm towels. They are warm, clean. You can see the towels are ready to use. So you can tell me whether it's worth it to buy this machine for wash and drying and even for your daily laundry. But for me, I like it. It saves me a lot of time and a lot of energy as it washes and I'm doing another chores. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Comment down below what you like about the washing machine, and bye bye.